Hey guys, what's up, guys? I'm Amber.
And I'm Rhea.
This is Rhea, and
And
Arian's over there.
Being ashamed.
He's hiding.
But we're making some slime. We're gonna add maybe some foam beads to this. But I've added 3 bottles of clear glue. It's really heavy. It's like really thick. Oh my god, look how much glue is still left.
That's a lot of glue.
I know, and it won't come out. Oh, so I'm gonna leave this upside down. Ooh.
Sounded like Rhea.
Then why is the white stuff in there?
Arian, show them your car.
What car?
This right here that you made.
It's a motorcycle.
Well, show them.
Well, here you can see there's lights and you can easily put it on the back. The wheels move, all the wheels move. I like this motorcycle because it's more active like a motorcycle. Because you can see it goes. Also, I forgot something. One more thing I can do.
Uh-oh. Let's open it. Oh, couldn't get that open.
But I forgot how it works. Supposed to be a button where you like
So you
push
have
it
to like
and then it
activate
goes.
it. Alright guys, so I'm about to add the activator in this. Once I get all this glue out, which is like right here, and I can't get it out. It just want to come out. I see in the
Maybe
other
scoop
bottles.
it out.
But I can't get it out. So I think we gotta skip this part. So here's the pipes, and you can put the other weapons in and some other weapons. So I'm gonna
So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably keep this bottle so I can refill it every time, or fill it with some activators every time I need.
As you see, you
That
can
napkin fell in the glue.
we have
Let's put it here.
we
As you can
have
see in these bottles.
Almighty Avengers Captain America. His head comes off and there's 2 sides. On the other, and I throw one, too. You can see his shield and his shield. Then we have the other Avengers card. It's other motorcycle. So I think I kind of like it because I just broke it. I have to fix it, guys. I know.
It pops back on.
I forgot to.
Also, guys, follow him on TikTok. His is Arian Battelle. And then hers is Rhea the Dancer 4. And then, of course, mine is Amber Country 10.
There's still glue in here, but it's fine.
Then you can see this. Like,
Amber, do you want to help me with this?
Hold on.
I think it. So it's a taser stick. There's actually 2 taser sticks, and I think they go. Captain America holds in. They go, like go, and then it recruits them. So that's all. And it also came with some bullets, shooty things, and some dogs. But I lost them at home, so I couldn't like bring everything. There you have the Avengers motorcycles. Also, if you want to see my monsters, my monsters, my other characters. So this one, it's Black Panther. If you do not know Black Panther, he is a panther. His powers are instincts, speed, and what and whatever thing, and he has a when he jumps and he does this with his, he comes you up into a fighting, goes makes a huge bomb. So then you have Black Panther. Then you have some monsters came with the Captain America one. So yeah, here's the monsters.
So Amber, I'm about to add the
And
activator.
the other one came with the Thor set, and the Black Panther one and the Thor one. The Black Panther and the Thor came together. The bad guy is this guy where he has a jet. He flies by, he has a chainsaw and a danger bucket. I don't know why it says danger bucket. Probably it's like, if you touch it, it probably when he takes the weight off and he throws it, probably they get sticky or sucked up and get their power sucked up. And he has a gun. It has a hook. He can like hook the Thor and Black Panther up, so he can just go whoop toward them. Also, Thor's powers is lightning. Probably when he hits the ground,
The hammer, with the hammer.
this hammer, when he does this, makes big explosion. Then the same is actually ammonia. This
So when I blow on it, it goes deep. Watch. It really goes deep. You saw that? So I'm about to add the activator in. That should be